Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Smith, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on Kami. Kami is a piece of software that you can put directly into Chrome that will help you take guided notes. So when you are doing your work on Edgenuity, there's always a guided notes. You can see each of the sections has a guided notes section. You click on those guided notes, a PDF pops up. You could print out that PDF and then take notes as you watch your videos, but if you use Kami, you can take it directly in, you can take it digitally. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go into a new tab, type in the word Kami and then extension. This will allow you to use Kami as an extension in your Chrome browser. You click on the first thing that pops up, Kami extension, right here, and then you will add Kami as an extension to Chrome. Click on that, click on Add Extension in the box that pops up, and you'll see it pop up here in the top corner. You can just close that. You can just close that out and close this out. And now, when we open up the PDF, Kami will pop up. You'll notice it hasn't opened up yet, so we've got to go back, reopen the guided notes, and when we reopen the guided notes, we'll have this little K that pops up in the corner. Once the K is in the corner, you can click on that, and it will open your PDF using Kami, which allows you to use all these tools. So you can make markings on things, you can make comments on things, you can obviously erase things afterwards, you can do different equations, text box, all sorts of things. So right now this is in text highlighter, so it says analyzing purpose and authors. That's the really, maybe that's a good one, right? We need to highlight that. And then when we're taking our notes, when we're watching the video, you might need to type. So to type, you're just going to go to text box, pick the color you want to type in, and then click your box and say, we read from Just So Stories from Rudyard Kipling, so we'll type that in. I made a mistake. I can easily go back and fix that, move this box exactly where I want it, go to the next one. So as you go through, you can type in that, all of that stuff. You can answer all those questions. Right? And it's really simple. You can type in this stuff really, really, really fast, and then you have your notes. Those notes you can then use to study. One of the things that I was noticing was that when people were taking the quizzes, they were not doing very well on the quizzes because they were missing questions about vocabulary. Well, if you have all of this here where it says words to know and you've typed in all the definitions, right? Repetition, tone, as you watch the videos, you type in all that stuff, then when you take your quiz, you can go back and you can look at this. So you can have your quiz window open and you can have your notes window open and you can use the notes to do better on the quiz. Now, there was one thing that came up that I wanted to draw your attention to, which is that as you are, playing the video, as you're playing the video, it's hard to go back and forth between the video and the notes. So I have a unique solution. If you have a Chromebook that you checked out from West Valley High School, you could consider opening the video up on your phone, playing the video from your phone, and then using it as your phone sits next to your Chromebook, typing in all of your notes into your Chromebook at a desk or something like that, typing all that stuff in. And that way you can watch the video and type your notes at the same time, and then you'll have those notes to use with the quiz. One of the things that's cool about Kami is that it automatically saves your work. So any of the highlighting that I've done here, any of the typing that I've done here, even like, weird stuff like these are my notes. If I open this up again, all of that stuff is still gonna be there. If I go back to Edgenuity, if I just close it out, right? When I go back and I open up my Kami, my notes with Kami, you'll see when I open all that stuff back up, it's all still there, even my random sort of things that I put here. Okay, so that's my tutorial for how to use Kami. I hope that is useful for some of you guys who want to use that or want to use digital notes. If you're not doing well on quizzes, I highly suggest that you take notes. You can take notes on paper if you want. You can use this format and take notes on paper, however you guys want to do it. It's entirely up to you, but I highly suggest, especially if you're not doing well on those quizzes, take notes. Okay? Good luck. I hope you guys can make at least 10% progress today, and I will talk to you later.